Did you build an app with Claude Code, but you're banging your head against the wall trying to take it live? In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can get your project online so you can start sharing what you've been working on. First of all, you're going to need 2 main things: a Pro or Max Anthropic account. If you don't have it already, that will run you at least $20 per month, and a web hosting plan. For our video, we'll be using the Hostinger Business Web Hosting Plan, which is $3.99 per month and allows you to create up to 5 Node.js apps and 50 websites. More on that in a sec. With that in our pocket, let's break down what you're going to deploy. First question, what exactly did you build? Is it something with a backend and data layers? Or did you create a static web page with interactive elements? It's very important to understand the difference, since that informs how you're going to get your app online. Static apps are interactive front-end only elements that were created within Claude Conversations or through Claude Design. You describe what you need and Claude builds it for you in the preview panel. The output is self-contained, like a single HTML page. These are working prototypes with no backend. You can use them immediately and share a link with other Claude users or host them somewhere if you want to be able to share them more publicly. Backend apps are more dynamic projects that have libraries, databases, and can write across multiple files. Basically, they have a backend. These are usually created within Claude Code, but you can also create more lightweight apps with Claude Artifacts. The difference between them is simple. Does your app store or retrieve information? If yes, then it has a backend. If not, then it's a static app. At their core, deploying either of these is the same. You'll download the files you need and upload them to a hosting platform. But what you need for each will be a little bit different. Now, a static file doesn't require a server or anything to run the app. It's actually self-contained, so all you need is a hosting platform. But if you're building a full stack app in Claude Code, you need a platform like Node.js to actually run the application. I'm going to show you how to deploy each one of these, starting with the static apps, but if you want to jump ahead to deploying a Claude Code project, skip ahead to this part of the video. But first, let's say you build a super lightweight app, like a tip calculator. Something that is interactive but doesn't need anything like a database or API calls. First, you're going to export your files from Claude. In the Artifact panel, download your new static app as an HTML. Make sure to ask Claude to convert the code if it generated a React component. We're going to go back to the Websites menu in HPanel and add website. But this time, we'll use the empty php/html, which will get us this dashboard. Navigate to the file manager and upload the HTML file you just downloaded from Claude in the public HTML folder. Since this is going to be the main page of my website, I'll rename it to index.html, and just like that, I've hosted my Claude artifact. Now, as soon as I connect it to a domain, I'll be able to share the link to my prototype with anyone that I like. I personally really like this for sending website previews and app prototypes to potential clients. Anything that doesn't need to interact with the server, it just needs to exist online for a while. Getting this set up takes less than 2 minutes. The only catch is if you want to make edits, you'll have to go back to Claude, re-download the artifact, and upload it to the file manager again. But that's it. For me personally, I've been wanting to power up my iStrain timer and give it some new features like saved Pomodoro splits, so I'm going to use Claude to do exactly that. Hostinger's Node.js hosting handles the build without you needing to touch a server, which makes it super accessible for those of us creating apps in Claude Code in our spare time. All you have to do is go into the Websites menu in your HPanel, select Add Website and Node.js Web App. From there, you have 2 options to deploy your new web app. You can either upload your project files directly or deploy from GitHub. Now, I highly recommend you get your project on GitHub rather than upload it. If you haven't used it before, think of GitHub as basically a free community-focused Google Drive for code. It stores your project files in a repository, which becomes the middleman between Hostinger and Claude Code. Now, if you don't want to use GitHub, you can just download your project into a zip file and upload that directly to your Node.js. But you'll need to remember to re-upload an entirely new zip file every time you make a big update. so keep that in mind. Now, if you ask me, that 2-minute GitHub setup is worth it, just to save that headache. On the Claude side, when your app is in a place where you like it, just prompt your Claude Code session with "create a GitHub repository for this project" and push it. Claude will walk you through the GitHub authentication if you're not already logged in. Then all you have to do is connect your new Node.js site to GitHub. Once that connection is made, you can just keep iterating on your app in Claude Code and pushing updates directly to GitHub. Once that connection is made, you can just keep iterating on your app in Claude Code and pushing updates to GitHub. For your Node.js app to update, just hit redeploy in your hPanel. If your app connects to any external services, you'll need to add those API keys in your hPanel app settings after deploying for the first time. But that's a one-time step, don't worry about that. After this, it's a direct line from your Claude conversation to the live web app, without you having to keep track of all your updates manually. And that's it. I bet you thought that would be harder than it actually is, huh? Honestly, so did I. The gap from vibe coding on your own machine to getting your project online is way smaller than it sounds. And Hostinger's Node.js can make it even faster by automating that build for you. Check out the description box below for a code that will give you a special discount, and watch these videos on the screen right here if you want a full walkthrough of Node.js hosting from start to finish. I'll see you in the next one.